In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Map View on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your Monday.com board. Navigate to your workspace and select the project board where you'd like to add the map feature. This is where all the magic will happen, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you have your board open, the next step is to access the Views menu. Look towards the top of the board and you'll see the current view you're using, which might say something like Main Table. Click on that to open the Views menu. This menu contains various ways you can visualize your project data. Now we'll explore more views. In the Views menu, find and select the option that says Explore More Views. This will take you to the full view gallery, where you'll see a variety of options available for your board. Scroll through and take a moment to see what's there, but let's focus on adding the map view. In this gallery, you can use the search bar to type in map. This will filter your options and help you find the map view quickly. Once it appears, click on Open in Board to proceed. This action will integrate the map view into your current project board. Next, if your map is currently empty, you'll need to add a location column to your board. To do this, click on Add a Column within your board. A list of column types will pop up, and from that list, select the location column type. This specific column is important because it allows the map to function properly by displaying the locations associated with your items. Once you've made your selection, click on Add to Board to confirm. With your location column in place, it's time to enter some location data. To do this, you will want to switch back to the main table view. In the newly created location column, type in the addresses or place names for your items. For example, you might want to add Colosseum or Statue of Liberty. Make sure each entry corresponds to the relevant item so that they'll display accurately on the map. Now, for the final step, let's view your map. Switch back to the map view at the top of the board. You should now see that any items for which you entered data in the location column are plotted as markers on the map. This visual representation can help you and your team quickly see where key items are located, making project planning and management a lot easier. And there you have it. You've successfully added and utilized MapView on Monday.com. This feature not only enhances your project visibility, but also allows for better geographical organization of your tasks. Be sure to explore all its capabilities fully, as they can significantly boost your productivity. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.